Good evening, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. And yes, today we have an unboxing. I have two boxes. They came in actually a couple of days ago. I've been real busy, so I couldn't do it when they came in. And usually I like to because I'm excited. I'm going to open them. But yeah, I didn't open these yet because I bought a new truck last night. So yeah, I've been a little busy. So and taking care of that and setting it up and all. Yeah, you know. So, but I want to get to this too because I'm kind of wanting to do something out of this one of these two boxes for shaving for tomorrow because I've run out of samples. Well, not fully. Still got a couple of Hendrick shaving soap samples to do as well. But I like to mix those in because I've got so many because they're so generous with them. So I like to mix them in my videos as well. So, but for now, we're gonna do something that's not a Hendrix product for tomorrow. So let's see what we got. So I've already actually sliced up the top of this envelope. There's a box inside. So I can get it out of that envelope. There we go, that's out. And of course we have a shaverage as well. Little Woodford Reserve, a little ice. Yes, on a Friday evening after work. Got the Kershaw, of course, copper. That's aging, patining well. Ooh, lots and lots of the shavings. Let me get a trash can. Let me dump this in the trash can. Let me pause. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. And of course, this is sterling. So, oh, and they threw in a sample too, I see. So we're going to try, oh, it's a sample bar soap, I think, too. Let me, oh, it's still water. There we go. There we go. Okay, get all the stuff off it. So it's all wrapped up nice. 5 shampoo pucks and a bar soap sample is what it looks like. Oh, almond cream is the bar soap sample. Oh, that's nice. So they threw in a free sample. Thank you, Sterling. Appreciate that. Oh, and what else? Oh, there's another something. Oh, actually, I did order a couple of sample aftershaves as well, too. So here's the sample of bar soap. Oh, a sweet almond. Oh, it smells nice. That's nice. Oh, I like that. Okay, we'll put that there. Now let's see. Let's look at the aftershave samples I've got. And there's these small little spritzer things, the samples. True samples, not like the 2 ounces I usually get. Here we go, what I get. Okay, put my glasses on so I can see. So the first sample, Sharp Dressed Man. Oh, that's nice. I'm trying to remember what that emulates. Oh, I can't remember. I used to know. Oh, that's nice though. It's sweet. Oh, but it's a nice scent. Cologne scent, but oh, very nice. Very nice. Is this drying down? Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Oh yeah, I can there. Yeah, there might have to be a bigger size than that in my future. That smells nice. And this is Island Man. And this is more of a citrusy one, I think. So let's spray the other side. Here we go. Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and citrusy. Oh, heavy lemon. And a nice like fresh. Oh, that's really good. Oh yeah, I've been searching for like a lemon scent. Think I found it. Oh yeah, yep. I mean it's citrusy, but I smell a preponderance of lemon on the initial scent. And now that it's drying out, it's rounding out to more citrusy as well. But that is nice. I've been looking for a citrus, so I just haven't found the right one. Sterling. Yeah, you're gonna get another order. Oh, I like that. That is very nice, very nice. Oh, I like both of those. I like. Yeah, okay, cool. But I mean, I went with some classics too. It's not like I was taking a big risk. I wasn't. But let's look at the different shampoo pucks. So I use a shampoo puck. Yeah, I don't have a lot of hair left, but I still have some. So yeah, I don't use the shampoo bottle stuff, the crap. I use a shampoo puck. And I've been rotating, but the Phoenix ones to me got a little pricey. They're like $8, and these are like $5, $5 and change, little change. So yeah, I went, and I've always been altering between the Sterling and the Phoenix anyway. So it was time for some Sterling too. So here's the first one, Campania. Okay. Batch number 458. Oh, they batched them. That's kind of nice. It's light. It's very light. But pleasant. I like it. Oh, that's intriguing. What's this got in it? Okay, but besides talking about the scents, let's see what it's got in for ingredients. I'll read the ingredients so you get an idea what's in here. Sustainable palm oil, coconut oil, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, yeah, normal soap stuff, grapeseed oil, meadow foam seed oil, whatever the heck that is, okay, avocado oil, jojoba oil, you see that in a lot of stuff, olive oil, fragrance oil, mango butter, ooh, almond oil, castor oil, I forget what castor oil does, I can't remember, but it does good stuff, silk proteins, stearic acid, argan oil, oh, I always like argan oil too, especially in hair products, and sodium lactate, okay, yeah, so more soap stuff, so that, yes, it's a good solid base there. The next scent is Sharp Dressed Man, yeah, just like the aftershave. Oh yeah. And we have Mountain Man. I'm trying to remember what this one is like. I can't remember what a Mountain Man was like. Oh, that's light too. Yeah, these shampoo pucks, not real heavy. You know, the Phoenixes, granted, are stronger scented. Usually, not always. I've had a couple that are not. But that's very pleasant. This is almost, it was like classic soap scent, but with a little pop. Oh, I like that. That I like that. That's, to me, it smells very much like something you smelled from childhood, but with a step above it. So I like that one. Next one is Executive Man. Yes, that one we know is the Creed Aventus clone. And I like it. Oh, how strong is it? Let's go see. Because I do like their Creed Aventus clone. Scent Off the Par is a little more bitey, a little more spicy than sweet. Yeah, I'd say a little more spice to it than sweetness. Not the preponderance of grapefruit that some of the others have. The last one is Campagna. And I don't remember, I remember looking at the scents when I was ordering it, but I don't remember what they were. Yeah, it's basically the same ingredients. But oh, that's got a little bit of depth to it. No, I can't quite tell. I'll take it out of the box. And that's what the full puck looks like. That just sits in my shower on the shelf, and yeah, that's how I shampoo my hair. I've got a little rubber mat that it sits on to keep it so it's not all squishy. Very mild, very light. Very nice, very nice. Oh, I like that. I like all of these. But a lot of times too, I'll buy these pucks, and the same with the Phoenix too. I'll buy them just to explore different things I wouldn't necessarily like from reading the description, but you gotta try. You know, variety is a spice of life. So yeah, I like to try different things, even if I think I may not like them, because I could be pleasantly surprised. And sometimes I'm not, and sometimes I am. So that was a fun little box. So that box, yeah, that's kind of it for the, oops, wait, one more, sorry, one more. What is it? Arcadia. Almost done. Oh, that one's more woodsy. Oh, that's a lot woodsy. Like a fresh wood smell. Oh, I like that one. I like that one. Arcadia. A little pine-ish. I mean, light. I mean, compared for Sterling, they all seem to be on the lighter side, but this seems to be like the stronger one. At most, I would call this a 4 out of 10, where the others are more like 3 out of 10. Maybe one or two of those were 2 out of 10. But this is definitely more like a 4 out of 10. But yeah, and I like to say I've been drawn to the this year. I've been drawn to the citrusy and to the pine scents. I've been liking the pine scents a lot too. So I just kind of been drawn toward those if I'm picking something. So next box is from Meggards. Good old Meggards samples. Meggards. Let's open this box. I think this is purely samples because I ordered my shampoo pucks because I order them like every now and again, so I can last about a month-ish or a shampoo puck. So yeah, so for $5, yeah, I'm liking that. It's a good, to me, that's a good economical thing compared to like the shampoos you get. Okay, this one's got paper in it. Good packing job. I mean, really good packing job. Your stuff's not getting damaged, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Okay, this is a little different. I've got some supplies. I got some empty bottles because you saw me when maybe you saw me the video where I was making an aftershave. I made the one, and I haven't made any more since then. That citrus balm from Hendrix. But Hendrix people, I'm gonna be making some more. So yeah, I had to get some bottles. So I wanted to try their sample bottles, truthfully, because these are for giveaway. The bigger bottles are for me, and some little bottles is so I can give away to, like, you know, people at work. You know, some guys at work might want to try something. Because I've been talking, of course, shaving to the other guys at work. Another package of bottles. So I got some good samples. Now I got a couple of samples. Oh, what's this? Okay, well, I got a couple of aftershave samples that I bought. And I don't own any Lucky Tiger. I do not own Lucky Tiger. So now I had to try one. Aftershave face tonic. I think it's a citrusy. Oh, I can't tell. Sorry, I put it in a spot where I can't smell it. Let me put it back in my hand. Oh yeah, citrus. Sweet citrus, really sweet. Okay, nice, very nice. It is nice. It's light. It's, you know, it's Lucky Tiger. It's not real heavy. What's the other one? The other one is, what is this? I can't read it. Taylor Bond Street, Eaton College. I've been hearing guys talk about this one. I wanted to try it. Okay, I need another spot to spray. Okay, I sprayed it on my middle of my arm. Oh, a little spicy. Okay, a lot spicy. Wow, wait. Oh, that one's tickling my nose. Oh, that tickles my nose. Yeah, I got a little bit too close. Let that dry down a bit, but okay, that's got some strength to it. That Taylor Bond Street, Eaton College. Very spicy. Very nice, very nice. Not something I would normally pick myself per se. I mean, at least right now with my moods the way they are. What did I have that I liked for a while, but then my skin just didn't react well to it. It was a Razor Rock brand that was spicy, and I can't remember what it was, but I used to like it a lot. But then my skin just couldn't handle it. I had to give it away. But that's a spicy with a little sweetness to it. Now that it's, you know, the alcohol is evaporating. That's got, yeah, I like that. I like the depth of that. So that's got some other things in it too, I can tell. They're rounding it out. But yeah, I'm liking that Eaton College. That's nice. What else I get? Then I got a 2 ounce, because I had to get the 2 ounce of this, just because it sounded so appealing. Katie's Bubbles Irish Cream. My last Katie's Bubbles I bought, I kind of gave it away as a sample, so I never got to use it. But this one I'm keeping, okay guys? I'm keeping this one. Oh, that smells good. That's very coffee scented. Very coffee scented. And it's kind of hard. That is not soft soap. It's not the usually croupiness. That's full soap. That's hard. I can't dent that with my finger. Oh, smells like creamy coffee. So coffee with cream and sugar. Very nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. To get me going. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is tomorrow's soap. I'll put that in the sink right now. That one's for tomorrow. I've just made my decision. I don't have to go any further. But here are some other samples I got. So I've got, let's see, 4 more samples. So I got the 2 ounce there because truthfully I wanted the Katie's Bubbles. I didn't. My wife's got one sitting over here on the shelf. This is my wife. Let me show you my wife's. She has gardenia and she's had it for a few years. Let me put these down. And it's very, I've used it a couple times. Oh yeah, the gardenia scent, very nice, very nice. Katie's Bubbles. That's my wife's. That's one of hers. She has this little shelf on the side, and of course I have that cabinet. I have the underneath here. I've got this cabinet over here. Yeah, yeah. A little disparity in the amount of saving stuff we have. Okay, this one sounded intriguing. I had to try it. This is Razor Rock Mango Sage Tea. Wait a minute, did I say? I'm sorry. I just said Razor Rock, didn't I? Sorry. This is Maggard's Mango Sage Tea. My apologies, Maggard's people. Pulling off the seal. Oh, nice. Sweet mango. I guess can smell that hint of tea. Yeah. I mean, if you didn't tell me it was tea in there, I might not pick it out, but knowing it, it gives it that like little touch at the end. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's like a secondary note, and it comes up behind you. Next one, because I did try that black ship grooming, was it last week I did? Liked it so, I was very, actually truthfully, I was very impressed with the black ship, yeah. So I had to try another one. So this one is Captain Scurvy. Just really like the face feel, the quality of it, how it worked with shaving, the post shave. Really liked it. I mean, really enough that if I was buying full size soaps right now, I'd be buying one. I really did like it that much, but I'm max, guys. I've got a lot of full size soaps. Okay, I'm not getting a lot of scent off of this one. Oh, it's so light. I mean, it's nice to the nose. It's not overly sweet. Yeah, this one's very mild. This is like a 1 or a 2. It's very mild scented. But I know I really like the quality of the soap. I mean, this is one of those standouts for me as Black Ship. Wish I had tried it years ago, because I'm telling you guys, I am impressed with this soap. So if you haven't decided on a soap you want to buy this week, I'm telling you, try a Black Ship. I was surprisingly surprised. Is that thing? I don't know. I was very pleasantly surprised with that. Oops, that's when I looked. Next soap. Who's this? Oh, this is the Los Angeles Shaving Soap Company. Vert Noir. Not a big West Coast person myself, but hey, we gotta try everything everywhere. Oh, wow. Big woodsy and flowery. First thing that hits me is the woodsy. Then I smell the floral. Intriguing combo. Because I've been heavy on the woodsy ones, especially the pines lately. Oh, this is intriguing. So if you want something woodsy, yeah, that smells really good. But it has the nice floral afterwards. So you get kind of the best of both worlds. Liking that a lot. Really, really liking that. Last one. Last sample. Had to look in the box to make sure. Oh, and it's the Eton College, Taylor Vauban Street soap to match that aftershave. Oh, very pleasant. Doesn't smell as spicy as the aftershave. It smells sweeter. I get the sweetness out of it, and I get the mild, so it's like almost reversed. Because the aftershave is more spicy with a little sweetness. This smells more sweet with a little spice. Interesting the way they did that. But the soap is very mildly scented. I mean, the aftershave has really got the scent to it. So yeah, this might have to be next week's. I'm liking that. So now I'm torn. But I want to really in because I got the 2 ounces, the Katie's Bubbles. Yeah, this is tomorrow. This is going to be tomorrow's shave, so you know now. I haven't picked the razor yet. I've got to clean this past week's razor. Get that done. That'll be my next job off camera, is to clean the razor and set up my razor for tomorrow to show you guys. But the Katie's Bubbles will be the soap, and I'm not sure what to pair with it for an aftershave. I'm thinking citrusy is not going to cut it. Tobacco, maybe. I've been using tobacco this week myself off camera, so I might have to use a little tobacco aftershave. What else I got to say on the shelf? Classics. I'm going to think on that. I'm going to have something that will go well with that basic coffee scent. So we'll see. That's my dilemma. If you have any suggestions, of course, pop them in. So I'll see if I can watch your comments before I do my shave tomorrow morning. So until tomorrow, thanks for watching, guys, and go with God.